Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, we will discuss a job openings from Spain. I hope you all know that this is a European country. Nowadays, there have many job openings from Spain. So, if you have a plan to move Spain with a job, then you can watch this video till the end and know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So, let's start. This is a multiple vacancies in Spain. Opening for Spain, vacancies are follows for construction project. So as you can see here, there have openings in construction project, supervisors and operators, grader operators, written slip from Paver operations, and technicians like automotive and earth moving equipment, then workers, concrete workers, then surveying instrument, then surveying instrument operator in buildings and infrastructure and requirements. All candidates should have experience in airport construction project. This is very important point. This is the basic requirements to apply for this job. So those guys having experience in airport construction project, they can get this job easily. Still, if you don't have any construction project experience, also you can apply if you have skills. So I hope you will crack the interview. So I can suggest you both of guys who have construction experience and also who have the construction skills. Having no experience, they both can be applied, but you have to crack the interview during the interview. So this is a construction project and there have jobs, supervisors, operators, technicians, workers, surveying instrument operators. So different types of job openings from Spain, and the basic requirements in front of you. This is the very important point. So vacancies are in larger number. Golf experience is compulsory. There I have a additional point. This is also very important. The company or the employer requirement who having golf experience. That means those guys already working in Kuwait or Dubai or Qatar or Bahrain or Saudi, in any Gulf country. This is also very important point. If any golf experience candidate have here, you can easily get this job. So I would like to request you, please keep in mind, if you have skills you can apply, and if you have golf experience with the construction project also you can apply. Both can be applied, but the company will prefer first of all to the construction experience holder with golf experience holder. So benefits: good salary plus free accommodations. And for shortlisting to apply, you can call on this number and you can send your CV to the given official email ID. So guys, here I would like to add a important point. You have to verify these consultants and you have to verify this office. I can suggest you please contact to the number, and I can suggest you to please send your CV and all documents to the given official email ID. And once you contact them, visit their office, verify them. If you satisfied with their process, then you can move forward. So this is my special request. I am just sharing you the information. Your job is you have to verify, then you can proceed forward. So guys, there have a huge job openings from Spain. I suggest you don't be waste your time. Apply as soon as possible if you are really eligible for this job. And this is the basic requirements I already explained you. And this is the contact details. You can contact in this number and also official email ID. And also after that, which is very important, you have to verify for the process. Then you can move forward. So I hope I am sharing with you all the details. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. I hope you share this information to your friends and relatives and the candidates who want to move European country with the same profiles. And I hope you share this, and I hope you get this information in the description below this video. I already explained, I already added the all details in the description, so you can get all the details including contact number and official email ID from the descriptions below this video. so that you can easily read this and you can apply easily. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will come to you with a new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.
You're now connected to Postcode North South.